Official data from the NBS released on Friday showed China's economy grew 6.5% year-over-year in the third quarter of 2018, slowing to its weakest pace since the global financial crisis in 2009 and missing expectations for a 6.6% expansion. The country's GDP data also ended lower than 6.7% year-over-year growth in the previous quarter. Chinese equities rallied the most in more than 2 years on Monday as Beijing continued to express support for the economy and companies. The blue-chip CSI 300 rose 4.3%, while the main Shanghai Composite Index climbed 4%, extending Friday's gains. Oil prices hit their lowest in more than 5 weeks on Tuesday as investors await the American Petroleum Institute's latest weekly data for the week ended October 19. U.S. West Texas Intermediate fell 1.85% to $67.89 per barrel, marking its lowest since September 14, while Brent crude futures declined 2.2% to $78.25 a barrel. U.S. stock futures suggested another triple-digit decline for the second day in a row on Wednesday, as investors anticipated a long list of corporate releases and economic data. Dow futures last stood 0.7% lower, while the S&P 500 futures fell 0.75% and tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 1%. Asian stocks edged lower on Thursday as hundreds of billions of dollars poured out of the markets after a disruption in tech shares led to the biggest daily loss in U.S. major stock indices since 2011. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped more than 2%, while Japan's Nikkei dropped as much as 4% to a 6-month low and Australian stocks hit a more than 1-year low.